Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to the Mana Decentraland overview. Yes, we could hit $1.60. I'll show that to you guys, but we have a massive support in the way that we're probably going to see a bounce from. And then I'm also looking for targets at right around 221 for a move up. We'll go over the analysis for technical side of it, and then I want to show you guys the actual charts here. The emotional index we'll be going over, the market cap strength, which is actually tanking right now. Please watch that part of the video. Trades in favor, well and institutional smart money, what they're doing, support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and we'll end the day and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. Speaking of trade setups, guys, we have never lost a single crypto trade. The last trade we ended up taking was on Sheep for 9.92% profit, and then the other remaining 50% of that trade was for about 4%. So I'll show you guys who are brand new to this channel how to trade with us in the second half, but I want to get into the analysis first and forward in this video. Okay, let's dive in. I want you guys to observe something here. Retail trader indicators up here are majority bearish this morning. So this tells me that a lot of retail traders are just looking to give up continually on this. They're looking, and a lot of retail traders, maybe you listening to this video, have been taught to trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Yes, the trend can be your friend, but in this type of scenario, guys, I really believe retail traders looking to sell here are going to end up on the wrong side of the market. And it really is a time to actually look for a reversal back up, okay? Watch this. Do you guys see this massive support sitting on the chart right here? And it's actually within a zone. This is the zone I'm looking for. This morning, right now, as you're hearing my voice, we're watching this video, we have touched the bottom of this support zone. This is either going to start flying up here, breaking this descending resistance here, and I absolutely believe, I'm not going to get unaggressive on this video, everything's going to be realistic on this channel, okay guys? A 50% retracement on this move here is absolutely realistic, which puts us at about this level here of about 231. But I say even more realistic than that, 221, 220 at this structure high here is the next place we're going to move to because it's going to be magnetized to this resistance. Let me show you something else here. If you take this out again, you look at this resistance right here. Where is it also correlated to? All of these resistances right here on the chart. We can see the touch here, the touch there. This means a lot of whales were buying over here. They were buying over here as well. And I'll show this to you guys with these indicators down here. This is going to act as a resistance now, which is a past support. So the first place that Mana is going to target, I believe once this breaks out here, is going to be a nice 220. Now, if this starts moving back down, we must go in the past over here and look at the next greatest structure support. And structure support does put us over here, right down here at this level. Yes, it's low. I'm not here to freak anybody out, but that is literally the next structure support we need to be watching. So where does this place us on Mana? It places us all the way down here at about $1, actually $1.05 to $1.09 possibly. Probably the 110 area is probably where it's going to actually bounce the fastest. So about 110 is where we could see a drop down to. The part that makes, not me nervous, but the part that's going to make people a little bit nervous here is if this breaks, guys, this is a huge movement down that we can see. This is undeniable. If you look at strict structures and how the market moves, this is where the price is going to be magnetized to. Okay, let's go over this. I want to show you guys what's happening with the flow of money as well as what's happening with the structures of crypto. For one moment here, guys, the well money flows in green, price is in pink. Let me take off price, and I want to just work with these two for a second. Look at what's happening right here, though. Here's the reason why I believe we're going to get a bounce more than a crash, like a lot higher chance of a bounce than a crash. So let me bring this into view here again so we can see this. What you're seeing down here is that we're seeing a lot of accumulation. When this green line here literally starts moving up here and it gets to the higher levels, this is where you guys need to be watching for the market to drop back down because this is showing you guys whales are done buying and they're going to be looking to sell. If you partner that with the actual structures of crypto, which is what the trend exhaustion does, if the structure is overbought and you have whales and they're finished buying, you guys are going to start seeing moves back down in the market. And when you guys can look over here, and I'm not going to cherry pick, just look at the high ones on the chart. Just look left and you can all see this with me. When these areas are getting high up here, whales are starting to sell their long trades and they're starting to bring liquidity into the market for shorts, okay? When you see this high over here, this was able to call this top over here before we ended up getting the drop, and we can see this over here. When it's at this high level over here, we're watching for this. Something you guys can also pair this with, which I watch with structures, is this. Trend exhaustion high, as well as the well money flow high, guys, you need to be watching for drops back down in the market. If this gets to the top red section, watch for these moves back down. This is how you guys are able to call the tops and the bottoms, and it just translates to more money in your bank account because that's what we're doing here. We're trying to time the tops and the bottoms to get into these crypto moves, okay? I can show you guys other moves in here when trend exhaustion was low. Well money flow was, seeing a consolidation pattern, and we saw a move back up here. Okay, watch this. Well money flow low, trend exhaustion low. Showing this to you guys to show the integrity of this. Let's take everything I just showed you and that you learned, and now let's look at the forefront right here. Well money flow is accumulating down at support. Do you see how it's not very high right now? This means buying is going on down here, and it's buying at support, guys. And I believe this is going to be pushing us back up to this target here. As far as the structure of crypto right now, this did see a low here. Well money flow got low, and we did end up seeing a little bit of a jump here. The indicators are going to hold this true almost all the times. But now what we're seeing is I'm looking for this move, guys. I'm looking for a fake out to the downside, for trend exhaustion to get lower here, well money flow to come low here one more time, and I'm looking for the pump right after that. If you guys are trading our scalping strategy, which I'll show you in the second half of the video, this is a very good time to look to get into the market, is anywhere within this green section right here. 3 to 4% profit, that's what you guys are looking for. Second half of the video, if you guys are brand new and you don't know what I'm talking about, we've never lost a scalping trade or the main strategy trade. I will show you guys how to get into that. Just follow the rest of the video. I want to dive in now to the metrics. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 29 minutes. The emotional index is pushed into the anxious section, guys. People are anxious right now. Retail traders are waking up and they're saying, how much lower can we go? If this comes down here and it spikes down really fast, you must watch for the bear trap to the downside. So a bear trap is when the price breaks a strong support, it freaks all retail traders out, and the whales buy, and this thing just skyrockets afterwards. I believe we are going to see a bear trap on Mana. Watch this, guys. Coming down here, market cap strength. The market cap is moving out by the hundreds of millions. People are selling their Mana so hard. And I'm saying this to be honest with you guys. This has happened before. But what happens before is that when the market cap is dropping out, don't think for a second that the big boys aren't looking at this. They're watching this and they're holding out of the market, and they will come back in and buy this. They did this over here. They waited for retail traders to freak out, sell a ton of their money so they could buy billions and then ride this thing back up. This is hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars heading back into Mana. I do believe this is what's going to happen next for Mana here, and you guys will see this happen in the markets. It is a very good time to get into this trade, and I'll show you how to get into a Mana trade so you guys can take this. It'll be the same principles we use to not lose a trade yet, okay? Good long trades, great long trades. This is where we're sitting. Another sign for you guys to say, hey, if you're getting into the market today, it is better to go long than to go short. You guys want to take good short trades? Wait for this metric to show you that is a great short trade or a good short trade. That has so much more favor on the price heading down in your guys' favor if you're just watching this one single metric, okay? You imagine how much money you can make with this if you're able to just come in here and say, oh, I should take a long trade today. The amount of favor you have on your side of the market is drastically larger than just coming in here and trying to say, oh, the price is going up and it's just going to keep going. No, when the price keeps going up, this shows you that a good short trade is in the market. Look at the percentage gains you guys are making on your portfolios. It's pretty ridiculous, okay? Look at this. Well and institutional smart money. These guys are coming in and they are acquiring this. I've been talking to you guys and I'm a broken record on this channel. I really believe if you guys do not have money in this market right now, or if you have some discretionary income, that you guys look to put some money in. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. My current portfolio is at $123,000. This is our main strategy we're trading, and we've never lost a trade. We're down about 16%. Most crypto accounts right now are down around 55 to 60%. 55 to 60. I did start a little bit of a holding portfolio because I am putting my money where my mouth is, guys. I do believe these are some of the greatest times to be buying crypto right now. And with this massive support here, you're probably going to wake up one of these days and you're going to be like, man, I really wish I listened to Travis and Trade Confident. They were telling me to buy. And I'm showing you guys the evidence here because if you guys look at this, sorry, I clicked the wrong button there. If you look at the evidence here, wells and institutions have come out here and done this before. The price has crashed. Retail traders were freaking out. But guess what happened right after that? Long trades were accumulated. Wells, institutions, and smart money. Look over here. The price crashed. They came out with long trades. Guess who made all the money? The Wells institutions. Retail traders, they lost it all because they sold because they got scared. Watch this metric. It'll keep you guys on the right side of the market. Support and resistance prices. The next resistance I'm looking at is at $1.99, which I would round this to $2. Okay, looking at $2 here, that's the first spot we're going to hit. If that moves up from there, the greatest structure resistance that I told you guys is right up here at about 222. I would say even pushing to 225, which is a quarters theory level, is the next place we're going to hit. Is 225 is going to be the bull run push, and then we're going to see a move down after that. Okay? Let's keep following me here. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have been using this, you've been literally putting money into the market the entire way down here. Great job, guys. Because when this does go back up, you're going to have a ridiculous break-even entry point, and then you're going to be seeing this move back up. Okay, let me show you this, guys. I'll take this off. This is the current trade setup that we are in as a family over here. I'm in this trade with you guys. And then after this, I want to show you guys, if you've never joined our channel before, you don't have a membership, don't have the indicators, all that, I'll show you guys how to get that, because this is what we're doing over here, and we literally have never lost a trade. Here's the current setup, guys. We have not hit our fourth buy limit yet. Our break-even entry is here. If this comes down and hits our fourth buy limit, we are going to celebrate like crazy, because our break-even entry is going to come screaming down here, and we are going to make this back up so much faster. And since we break our money into 4 buy limits, we are going to make a lot more money if this buy limit is hit. If it's not, we're totally okay with that. We're going to wait for this to get back in the profit. But for those of you guys who get into the trade setup today that I'm about to show you, and you guys literally wait for me to call an exit on this in Telegram, you'll be looking at doing, if we don't hit that fourth buy limit, you will be doing over 40% profit on this, because I'm going to be exiting this around this structure high right here, just so you guys know. So you're looking at taking about a 74 to 75% profit. Just follow me in Telegram. This is the best strategy you guys can be trading. The risk management that we use is absolutely insane. We have the healthiest crypto account we can find on all of YouTube and crypto right now. Again, we're down about 16.5%, I believe is where we're currently at, guys. And most accounts are down right now this morning about 55 to 60%. It's because they did not use good risk management. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So watch this next part of the video, and I'll get you guys into that right now. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the analysis. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now for the coin that you're viewing. On the front page of tradeconfident.io, you're going to see all the coins that we cover. Every single one of these, obviously the one I just covered in this video, you guys can see here. Click on any of these coins. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example, and here is how we have literally never lost a single crypto trade ever. I'm going to teach this to you guys right now so you can follow along, and I'll show you guys how to get into our membership and get our indicators the best deal possible today, okay? Follow me on this. What you're going to see is 4 different buy limits on each of our coins, on all of our metrics at the bottom of every page. What you guys are going to do is you're going to choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. That $1,000 is then split up into 4 equal portions, so $250. You are going to place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit lines here in yellow. So $250 here, $250 here, $250, and $250. This will give you guys extremely good risk management, which is honestly part of the reason why we've never lost a trade and why we have the healthiest account right now in bear markets when the market does go down. Okay, it is because of the good risk management. Once the first buy limit is hit, you guys want to set up a sell limit in your exchange for a 100% exit up here at the green price. And you're going to see this on every single one of our cryptos. If you want a video, then you guys are more visual, watch the video at the bottom of the page and you guys will learn that. Once you guys have this set up, make sure you guys follow me in Telegram, because you guys will end up getting all of the exits that I call out for all of our team. Literally all of the win rates that we have, all the entries and the exits will be called out in Telegram. So this is how you guys access this. Come over here to pricing. Our win rate is going to be updated right here. Obviously, when you're watching this, it's probably going to be a lot higher. But guys, we are only charging you $95 a month. It is the cheapest membership you can get for this type of service here. All of the metrics for each of our coins, you guys can spy on the whales, see what the whales are doing, trade with the institutions, getting, the trades in favor, the best trades to take for the day, all those are yours. The Telegram channel, you guys also get all the entries and exits for all the calls that I'm making. The master classes that I've literally taught hundreds of millions and billion-dollar hedge funds, literally I've taught them those principles. You guys can watch that in the master classes over here. And then something we added that you guys said you just love is we added a community chat. I'm like, you know what? If we're winning all these trades and the users who have actually used our strategy, if you guys have followed me to a T and you literally just copied me in the Telegram channel, which you guys can access here, you guys have never lost a trade. with our main strategy or our scalping strategy, which I'll show you in this video here. But come into the chat, talk to other traders. We're looking for trade setups and we're just talking about the markets. And then on top of that, every month, once a month, I do a live Zoom call with everybody. So if you're part of the membership, I will post that out here. It's going to be in the Inner Circle Hangout. You guys will see me post the date, and then I'm going to give you guys a Zoom link, and we'll all hang out together, okay? Last but not least is the indicators. The indicators are on sale. You guys want to snag it. It is our best deal we have. It is 82% off right now. Now, there may be times when you guys watch this video where it will be different. Just make sure you check this right here to get the best deal always on our indicators. The three that you really want are the price for swell, money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. If you use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, you'll get 40% off today on the first three. If you use Save Money, you'll get 60% off the other 6 indicators here. But since we have this going on right now, you guys actually get 82% off all of our indicators. It is just the best deal hands down. Now, if you guys want to purchase them individually, or if you've ever purchased indicators individually from us, just email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll just give you guys a PayPal invoice, pay the difference, and we'll just give you guys the rest of the indicators. And I don't want you guys overpaying at all. These 2 indicators are Forex indicators. They've never been coded on TradingView before, and we jokingly call this the pressure gauge, which is like the jackpot indicator. So please use it responsibly, guys. But the indicators you guys really want to get is the bundle pack, because that is the best deal. It's a one-time purchase. You get the indicators for life, and you also get the source codes to all of the indicators. And these indicators are helping us go literally 100% win rate. And I told you guys I'd show you this. The scalping masterclass has yet to lose as well. Go to the masterclasses and click right here on Masterclass 7, how to scalp with our indicators and metrics. You guys will see exactly how people are doing. And speaking of how people are doing, I'll end the video with this, guys. The testimonials are crazy. This will update as you guys are on our website. This guy did $2,777 on the EOS pump. He has all 3 indicators I just talked to you guys about: trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow, and trend dashboard. Okay. This guy down here does $485, and then he does $661 the day after, and then it just gets nuts, guys. This guy does $23,000 using our 2 indicators, trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow, in one single week. He's like super blessed. Great masterclasses, by the way. Watch the masterclasses, guys. Literally, the mental game is everything, and I teach you guys how to master the mental game of trading, which is what hedge funds and institutions do, and unfortunately retail traders don't know, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. This guy does $6,310 with the indicators and the strategy. You guys can see that right here. $3,500 with the indicators and the metrics. The metrics are crazy, guys. This guy down here does $1,376, and then this is just nuts. $43,000 on a single trade with our indicators, trend exhaustion, and price for swell, money flow. This guy does $100 to $400 a week on average. And this guy up here, I think he said he does about $4,000 a month. Yeah. Since joining the Trade Confident membership last month, I'm using the trend exhaustion and the price for swell, money flow, making about $4,000 per month. Pretty stinking awesome. So guys, that's what you need. Everything is linked in the description of this video, and I pinned it to the first comment of this video. So make sure you guys get the membership. You guys will get access to everything I showed you here, into the Telegram channel, access to the Telegram channel right here, and then make sure you guys are getting the indicators on sale, because that is the best deal we've got going, which is presented right here to you guys. All right, God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, get everything set up, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.